guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lade. If this is your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome as well. Thank you for stopping by today. I asked for some suggestions for lip balm ideas, and one of my subscribers suggested that I do the honey and brown sugar lip balm, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. I have this wrap on me because Zoe would not stay anywhere else but on my back. So you want to say hi? So I have her here because I must film this video.
To make this lip scrub, I'm going to be needing some virgin coconut oil. It's usually in solid form, but the temperature is pretty warm here, that's why it's like that. I'm also going to be needing some honey and some brown sugar. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and after I mix, I realized that it's not the right consistency that I'd like. It's more runny, and I think it's because the coconut oil is not in solid form. So I then add another teaspoon of the brown sugar just to make it more pasty, and this is what I have. To begin, the process is real straight to the point. Just take your index finger, scoop a little quantity, and then apply to your lips and scrub for at least 2 minutes. It smelled so good, I just wanted to taste it, and it was so good. Honey, brown sugar, and coconut oil. After about 2 minutes of scrubbing, wash the scrub away and you're done. I just moisturized my lips with some coconut oil and I love the results.
Alright guys, so I'm done with my lip scrub, and see my lips. Feels like a baby's lips. I love it. I like that I made this quantity because I would like to continue using it. Once in a while. Please store in the refrigerator, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to continue leaving your comments down in the comment section. I'm always excited and happy to hear from you guys. So because I was looking for a good lip scrub and I had some suggestions, I did some research. There's some other lip scrubs I would like to try, so stay tuned. I'll be making videos as I try them, but for now, brown sugar and honey it is, y'all. Peace out. Bye.